Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Dusk order. If you have placed any order and you want to cancel, then how you can cancel. All steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
To cancel within 15 minutes of placing your order, you need to log into your account where you can cancel your order here. Once you log in, click on your profile icon. You will see option for your order on your left side. Over there you can see your all orders. Select your order which you want to cancel and follow the prompts. And you are done. If 15 minutes has passed, we can only cancel your order providing that it hasn't yet been picked, packed or dispatched. To request a cancellation, please get in touch with Dusk customer service by filling Contact Us form. If you contact us after your order has been picked, packed or dispatched and you would like us to cancel delivery of a large item delivered by two-man delivery, there will be a £39.99 return fee deducted from your refund. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your Dusk order. If you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.